Using a seed phrase like the one you've shared allows access to a cryptocurrency wallet and all funds stored within it.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Disclaimer: the content on this channel is meant only to provide helpful insights, tips, and information on certain subject or topic. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date knowledge, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult a qualified expert or professional for your specific needs. We encourage you to use this content as a guide for learning and additional information. If you think this does not fit what you want, please skip the video.
However, handling such sensitive information requires extreme caution to avoid unauthorized access or loss of funds. Here's how to proceed safely. A seed phrase is used to restore or access a wallet. You cannot directly use a seed phrase to transfer funds. Instead, you need to import the seed phrase into a compatible wallet application. Select a trusted and secure wallet app, for example, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or OKX Wallet, that supports the blockchain network like Ethereum or Tron your USDT is on. Open the chosen wallet application, select Import Wallet or a similar option. Enter your 12-word seed phrase carefully and verify it. After importing the wallet, check the balance to confirm that your USDT is available. Ensure the USDT is on the correct network like Ethereum, Tron or BNB chain. Log into your Binance account and copy your USDT deposit address. Then, go back to your wallet app. Select Send for USDT and paste the Binance deposit address. Make sure to choose the correct network that matches the Binance deposit network. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Blockchain transactions may take a few minutes to confirm. Once the transaction is processed, your USDT will appear in your Binance account. Do not share your seed phrase. Anyone with your seed phrase has full access to your funds, so avoid sharing it with anyone or posting it online. Ensure network compatibility because using the wrong network may result in the loss of funds. Verify that the network for sending and receiving USDT matches. Secure your devices by ensuring the device you use to import the seed phrase is free from malware or keyloggers. And always double-check wallet addresses before confirming a transaction.
Thanks for watching.